Hello and welcome, grade 3. Today we'll take function. It's a redefined formula. So if you want to make a formula for take sum for these cells, so you have to put equal and first cell, then plus second one, then plus third one, and fourth and fifth. Right? So we will complete this one by using function. Function, I have to write just equal and sum, SUM, and open bracket, open bracket. You have to select cells you want to sum. Select cells you want to sum. So I put equal, then function sum, open bracket. How to open bracket? Shift and 9, shift with number 9. It will open bracket. So I will select range of cell. Select range of cell. Then press enter. Press enter. Without closing the bracket, no problem. Just press enter. It will give me the result is 308. 308. Again, if I want to make a sum for these cells, so you have to put equal, then sum, SUM, and open bracket, then select range of cell. Then press enter. Okay. There is another way to make a sum. Just press on the auto sum here. This is one. It's called auto sum. Just click on it. You will select the cells, then press enter. How to get biggest number here? Biggest number is 45, 25, 54, 75. This one the biggest number here. How to get it? By using function. Just write equal, then maximum. It's called biggest number. Max. You have to write max. Then open bracket. Then select range of cell. Then press enter. You will give me 75. Again here, I want the biggest number, maximum number. So you have to write equal, then max, then open bracket, shift 9, and select range of cell. Then press enter. 97, perfect. Okay, here I want the smallest number, and put the result here in F14. So you have to put equal, then minimum, MIN, and open bracket, then select range of cell. Select range of cell, then press enter. Again, I want smallest number here. I have to put equal, then MIN, minimum, then open bracket, and select range of cell. Then press enter. Perfect. 12. 12 is the smallest number here. And 97 is the biggest number here. Okay. I will talk about average. What does the average mean? The average is mathematics. So I will take it in math, I think, next year. Average means the medium number. متوسط الحسابي، المتوسط يعني الوسط. يعني المتوسط هنا عندي ايه؟ المتوسط بنعمل ايه؟ عندي 3 ارقام عايز المتوسط بتاعهم، افريج بتاعهم. ال3 ارقام عشان اجيب المتوسط بتاعهم بجمع 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3. ليه divided by 3؟ عشان عندي 3 ارقام. لو عندي 4 ارقام يبقى divided by 4. لو عندي 5 ارقام يبقى divided by 5. بكل بساطة then put equal then average. I will write average. I can select from the list and press double click. Then here write average. I will select range of cells 3, 4, 5. Range of cells. Then press enter. I will get the average is 4. The average is 4. I want the average here. This number. Okay. Just equal. Then average AB and double click on the average word. Then select range of cell. Select range of cell. Then press enter. The average will be 8. The average will be 8. Okay, again. Sum here equal sum open bracket. Select range of cell. Biggest number will be equal max open bracket. Select range of cell. Here, smallest number equal MIN open bracket. Select range of cell. Then press enter. I want the average number here. Average number of 351 and 96 and 54. So how to write this function? Just press equal, then average and select from the list. Then I will select the first cell. Let's select first cell. Then press control. Press control. CTRL code control. Press control, then press the next cell. And select the third one. I still press on the control. This is called how to select range of cell but separated cell. Separated means بعيد عن بعض، بعيد عن بعض مختلفين يعني. لو أنا عايز أعمل سيلكت كمان مرة، عايز أعمل سيلكت بثلاث 3 cells بعيد عن بعض، just press control and press click. Again, equal average and select average from the rest, then control and click, control and click, control and click, then press enter. So if my answer is correct, you would see, try again, change it to very good. Yes, perfect, very good. You can see you can see my worksheet. You have to start from worksheet. This one, number 5, worksheet number 5, worksheet number 6. And there is questions here. You have to answer it. You can click the tabs at the bottom workbook to switch between worksheet. Yes, it's called tabs. This one is called tabs. This one is called tabs. Yes. And you can see the function from the worksheet number 7. Just ignore the count function. Not welcome in the quiz. Forget about it. Okay. Max will come. Minimum. Okay. And this exercise is very easy. And you know the quiz will be practical. So you have to study this sheet. I put it in Teams. Please try to solve it. Very easy. Add, subtract, divide, multiply. Formula. How to write this one? Equal 4 multiply 3 subtract 5. Press enter. And all the same, just practice your skills in Excel. Okay? And cell reference is very easy also. Put the number 1 in cell H13. You have to look in H13 and put number 1 and press enter. Okay? Just okay. Thank you for today. See you next week.